welcome to my channel. So guess what? It is Valentine's Day month, and y'all, this month I love it. This is one of my favorite holidays just because I'm like a hopeless romantic. I love all that sweet shit. I love all those gestures and all of that stuff. I think it's very cute, very romantic. So with that being said, today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I'm so excited for this look because pink is one of my favorite colors. Y'all, this ponytail is fucking horrible. I'm sorry. I've had it for a minute now and I thought it would be good, but it's on its last strike, but whatever. But I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's Day look and I'm so excited. Pink is one of my favorite colors, pink and yellow, and I'm just excited to see how this look turns out. I really hope this is gonna be a fan favorite. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned.
I'm ready. If it's me you want, I'm ready. Can't do no follow-up any. If I said I'm ready, if it's me you want, I'm ready. Can't do no follow-up any. Fresh out the gate, dripping just came out the lake. Money coming, we just...
As you guys can see, my eyebrows are already done. If you would like to see how I do my eyebrows, below there will be a link to the tutorial that I uploaded. So yes, let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from ABH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using the pink shades. I'm going to be creating a Valentine's Day look for those who missed it, and I'm going to be using the colors pink, and I just love it. It's my favorite color. So I'm going to go take this shadow brush and I'm going to go in with this hot softish pink, if you describe it, and I'm just going to go and rub that in all over my crease and upper lid. So now I'm going to be taking this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills called Norvina, my bad. And I'm going to be using this hot pink in the upper right corner. Oh my god, it is fierce and I love it. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking that in. I'm going to be going on my lower crease area, and I'm just going to rub that in to give me more of a hotter look. I'm not really using too many different colors in this look. I'm just going for a solid color as a background for the art that I'm going to create. Now I'm going to be taking this flat end brush, and I'm going to be using this to create my cut crease. So I'm going to take my concealer, which is the same one I've been using, the ColourPop, in the color Dark 42. There you go. So I'm gonna take the flat tip brush and I'm going to be opening my concealer. So now what I'm going to do is just take my brush and rub it across the tip, get some on the brush, and then I'm going to use that and apply that onto the lower lid. I'm going to start to create my crease now. And after I create my crease, I'm going to go in and add the color, and you're going to see from there.
Déjame una vez, te perdono. Déjame otra vez, no te conozco. Yo te di todo. Déjame sola hoy en la mañana. Déjame para allá, se va la gana. Yo te di todo. Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada. No me juegues como ajedrez. Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada. No me juegues como ajedrez.
So now I'm going to be taking my NYX eyeliner, the color white. I'm also going to be using a pink eyeliner as well. And from here, you're going to see me start my creation.
Check, yo te confío en ti, mis secretos. Y yo viví por ti, sentí completo. En el final, no importa. Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada. No me juegues como ajedrez. Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada. No me juegues como ajedrez. Checkmate. 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 Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada. No me juegues como ajedrez. Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada. No me juegues como ajedrez. Checkmate.
wish I could slow down, wish I could stop time.
you serious?
Like, girl, is you serious?
You're one in a million.
You're one in a million.
Like, what was you looking for?
Like, what was you looking for?
I can tell that you really want it.
I can tell that you really want it.
I don't wanna waste no time. I don't wanna waste no time. Gotta get you off my mind. You control.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Happy Valentine's Day.